There is a home on this planet with no address, no borders, and no limits. It doesn't sit on land. It moves silently across oceans, docks at private islands, and hosts a lifestyle only billionaires can afford. This isn't a yacht, and it isn't a mansion. It's Aurelion, a floating dream home so exclusive, most people don't even know it exists. At first glance, Aurelion doesn't look like a traditional yacht. It looks more like a floating house, a futuristic architectural icon rising from the ocean. With 5 visible stories, sharp sculpted lines, and seamless glass walls, this luxury floating home feels closer to a modern mansion than a vessel. This is not a tiny house experiment or a minimalist concept. This is the ultimate floating palace, a billionaire house design created for someone who wanted freedom, privacy, and status all at once. Unlike standard yachts built purely for travel, Aurelion is designed as a permanent floating residence, a true floating dream home meant for long-term living, entertaining, and sailing around the world in unmatched comfort. Aurelion was imagined for a lifestyle where borders don't exist. One month, it's anchored during Caribbean yachting season, surrounded by turquoise water. The next, it's crossing oceans, embracing the purest form of sailing and exploration. This is boat life, elevated to billionaire scale. From the outside, the matte obsidian hull and subtle gold accents signal power and exclusivity. At night, integrated lighting transforms the yacht into a glowing architectural sculpture floating silently over dark water, a visual that instantly screams billionaire yacht status. This isn't just a private yacht. It's a statement. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is space. Real, livable space rarely seen even on a mega yacht. Floor-to-ceiling glass wraps around every level, blurring the line between interior and ocean. The main living deck feels like a luxury house tour you'd expect in Beverly Hills. Only this one moves. Natural materials, custom stone, and warm wood tones create an atmosphere that's both futuristic and inviting. This is not a showroom yacht. It's a home. Aurelion proves that a luxury floating home can offer the same comfort as land-based mansions, while giving something land never can: total freedom. Every deck of Aurelion serves a purpose. The upper levels are dedicated to relaxation and entertainment, while lower levels focus on privacy and comfort. The owner's suite spans an entire level, complete with panoramic ocean views, a spa-style bathroom, and private terraces. This isn't just a bedroom. It's the heart of a billionaire floating house. Guest suites rival 5-star hotel rooms, making every visitor feel like royalty. Whether hosting elite guests or throwing exclusive billionaire yacht parties, Aurelion was built to impress. The design philosophy combines elements of luxury tiny house efficiency with grand superyacht scale. Every inch intentional, every view unforgettable. Outdoor spaces are where Aurelion truly shines. Multiple decks open up into infinity pools, sun lounges, and shaded dining areas. Imagine waking up, stepping outside, and having breakfast as the yacht gently floats near a private island. This is the floating dream home tour people never get to experience. A sky lounge crowns the top deck, offering 360-degree views of the ocean, perfect for sunset gatherings or quiet moments during long voyages. Below, the entertainment deck features a full cinema, bar, and dining space designed for high-profile guests. This is not just a luxury yacht tour. It's a glimpse into a billionaire life most people never see. Despite its size and luxury, Aurelion is engineered for serious travel. This is not a dock queen. It's a superyacht designed to cross oceans with confidence. Advanced stabilization systems, cutting-edge navigation, and powerful propulsion make long-distance journeys smooth and silent. Whether cruising between continents or enjoying slow Caribbean yachting, Aurelion moves like a fortress on water. This is where Oshanko Yacht level craftsmanship meets visionary design, creating a vessel that's both a home and a world traveler. Living on Aurelion means redefining daily routine. Mornings begin with ocean views instead of city noise. Afternoons blend work, relaxation, and exploration. Evenings turn into private events under the stars. This is boat life tour content taken to the extreme. No traffic, no borders, no compromises. For the owner, this is not a vacation, it's life. A billionaire floating tiny house concept expanded into a multi-story floating mansion. Aurelion exists at the very top of the billionaire yacht world. It represents success, independence, and a refusal to live by traditional rules. This is the kind of yacht seen at exclusive gatherings, whispered about during billionaire yacht races, and admired as the ultimate expression of personal freedom. More than a private yacht tour, Aurelion tells a story about where luxury living is headed, away from land, toward limitless horizons. As cities become crowded and privacy becomes rare, concepts like Aurelion hint at the future. A future where floating home design and floating house design redefine real estate. Why own land when you can own the ocean? Why stay in one place when your home can follow the sun? Aurelion isn't just a yacht. It's an idea, a vision, a billionaire floating dream home brought to life. From its bold exterior to its serene interiors, Aurelion represents the absolute peak of luxury yacht living. It combines the comfort of a mansion, the freedom of sailing around the world, and the prestige of owning one of the most exclusive yachts ever created. This is not just a mega yacht tour. This is the future of floating luxury. If you enjoyed stepping inside Aurelion and exploring this billionaire's floating dream home, make sure to subscribe to Yachts World for more exclusive yacht tours, super yacht stories, and behind-the-scenes looks at the world's most extraordinary floating homes. Because some dreams don't belong on land, they belong on the ocean.